What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today, we're going to be doing how to fix OBS Studios stop recording earlier. So, first step you're going to have to do is go to your tools. So, let's go to my tools. Then, after, we're going to click output timer. And mine shows 1 hour 30 minutes. Well, it used to be 5 hours, but I changed it for this video. But I like it keep it at 5 hours so it can't stop if I'm doing like a long video. Or you can put it as long as you want. That's just gonna make it stop recording automatically, either if you forget or something. Then I have my streaming set to 9 hours if I want to stream, and 5 hours and 30 seconds. So this is how you're gonna want it to be. I mean, you can put the hours on how long. I'm pretty sure this will be hours. So yeah, hours, minutes, seconds, yeah. So I'm gonna keep this at 2 hours. And this at 2 hours. Now I'll put it for 24 hours. I don't want to ever do like a special live stream, but I'll switch it anyways. Check it out. So before you guys make a video, you're gonna want to check this part out. Make sure it's set up to how you want it. Then after you set everything up, go save, click close. Then you can start recording. And that should be it for today's video, but let me show you guys one more thing. So if you wanted to cause I'm not sure if this will record my actual desktop audio, so I'm gonna check it out right now. I'm gonna load it to one of my YouTube videos. So see you guys in my follow. Okay guys, so I put on one of my videos as you can see on the screen. And this, I'm not sure if it's gonna show recording on the desktop audio. Wait, let me show you half of OBS Studio Capture. Okay. Then it brings you here a device. So because I have two stuff, speakers is my laptop, Samsung is my main display. So then we're gonna click this. So because my main display I use is this. So it would use the sound I use from this, capture it,